So in this case we have a air bubble of radius 2 centimeters. Now in this case let's call this as the center of this, and then the shifted position is 1 centimeter along the diametric line. So we are viewing the object from this position. So here V is equal to 1 centimeter is the image distance from the center of curvature, and U is the object distance. So U is object distance and we know that N2 by V minus N1 by U is equal to N2 minus N1 by R. Upon substituting everything we get 1.5 by 1 minus 1 by U is equal to 1.5 minus 1 by 2. So this gives us U is equal to 0.8 centimeters. Now the distance of the bubble from center O is 0.8 centimeters. So the real depth becomes, let me call this as, or let me write this as real depth. Real depth is basically nothing but 2 minus 0.8, which is nothing but 1.2 centimeters. So this is the answer.